Hello everyone, welcome to my channel techitechnions. In this video we are going to learn about classes and ID. Click on new file, classes and ID. Copy the previous code, paste here. Change the name to classes and IDs. Remove the body content. We are going to style our web page using classes and IDs with the help of CSS. We will take 3 paragraphs here. First will be paragraph 1. Second paragraph 2. And third will be paragraph 3. We are going to give a class and an ID. ID is used for one single element, while classes is given to a group of elements. For example, if I use ID in this one and class in the second and third one, we can use P2 to style both paragraph 2 and paragraph 3, while when we use ID, we can only start paragraph 1. We can only style paragraph 1. So we will write the style tag inside the head section. Inside this, we are going to use classes and IDs to change the styling of our web page. I want to change the font size and color of paragraph 1 and then paragraph 2 and 3. While paragraph 1 will have its own property, whereas paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 will have the same properties. When we use ID, we use the hashtag symbol. When we use class, we use dot before styling it. So for the first one, use hashtag P1. Write down the properties which you want to change. For example, color. I want it to be pink in color. Use semicolon to end this property, and the second property will be font size. I want this to be 200%. For the last element, you can or you cannot use semicolon, but it's better to give one semicolon at the end. For styling the class, we will use dot p2. Use curly braces. Choose the color. I want this to be of blue color. Give it a semicolon, and then font size to be 300%. Give it a semicolon again. Save this file and click on live preview. You can see paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 are exactly same, whereas paragraph 1 is of different type. Thank you for listening to this video. In the next video, we are going to study about div and span.